can transcend lifetimes. After my years mastering airbending, I traveled to the Northern Water Tribe. Waterbending was especially challenging for me. But in time, I mastered it as well. I moved on to the Earth Kingdom. My earthbending master, Sud, was uncompromising, stubborn, and blunt. And a lifelong friend.
Ha ha! Huh?
It was bitter work, but the results were worth it.
12 long years passed before I saw my friend again. When Roku returned, he was a fully realized avatar. And I had changed as well.
Sozin, or should I say, Fire Lord.
Customarily, my subjects bow before greeting me. But you're the exception.
After all these years, he was still my best friend. And a few months later, he was my best man.
Roku, it's that girl who didn't even know you were alive.
Tamin, I was persistent. When love is real, it finds a way. And being the Avatar doesn't hurt your chances with the ladies either.
On wedding days, we looked to the future with optimism and joy. I had my own vision for a brighter future.